In Unreal 5.7, there is a new feature that it's good to mention at the start. Just in case you don't have it, go to Plugins, Edit Plugins, and search for AI. And I'm talking about the AI Assistant. To enable it, you just need to check it. Just remember that it is experimental, and then just click Yes. You will need to restart your project in order for the changes to take effect. And this will happen whenever you enable any type of plugin. So also it's a good way to tell you how to enable and disable plugins. So I just restarted Unreal, and you should be able to find the AI Assistant in Window and look for AI Assistant. Or Alt F1 should also open this window. Here, I would recommend for you to log in by clicking this, because you can also access the AI Assistant through the web. On the web, you just need to go to unrealengine.com, click on Learning, and you will find it here at the left side, Developer Assistant. And you can ask it whatever you want. It's not perfect, but one of the very useful things that you can do with it, well, just asking it stuff is useful. But for example, if I want to ask it, how can I make my character jump? I made the question and I pressed enter, and it will think, and very important, it will send you links to the documentation. So you can actually just, okay, let's just click on it. And we can click on it, and it's gonna give me either a tutorial on the subject made by the Unreal Engine team, or just the regular documentation with very important information. If we analyze the result, it's going to tell you how to do it mainly in C++, but you can tell it, hey, I'm only using blueprints. Hey. So let's press enter. And it's going to think again. And this is very good, not for just solving a problem. And I would even suggest against just telling it your problems and expecting a solution that you can just copy and paste. It's better if you start asking things, conceptual things, things about the framework, things about maybe how some certain components or certain systems work, and it will actually give you very good information because it's getting the information from the documentation. And not only that, it's going to point you to useful articles that are human-made. Now, again, the suggestions are not always the best, but it's something to take in consideration. So whenever you're using Unreal and maybe in a tutorial that is a little bit old, you find like a node or something that should be maybe here, you can ask it, hey, I'm following this tutorial on this version of Unreal, but I cannot find it in this version of Unreal, right? So for that, those type of things is actually pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to give you this tool because it's one of the new features and it's actually useful.